Hi everyone. So in this project we are going to measure the distance with the help of ultrasonic sensor as well as the microcontroller, and we are going to display the output on our PC with the help of serial monitor. Okay. So how to do the connection? The plus VCC, this one should be connected to the 3.3 volt, and ground should be connected to the ground. Okay, and D5 should be connected to the trio, and eco should be connected to D18 as per our program. Okay, the program I mentioned in the description. Okay, now what is our next task? Our next task is to do the configuration on the Arduino. Okay, so okay everyone, so this is our program. Okay, let me copy this program and put this program into the Arduino. Okay, IDE, and let me upload this program to the microcontroller ESP32. So it is compiling the program, will take a few minutes to compile. Okay, so program is uploaded now, and how we can monitor the distance with the help of serial monitor. So here it is showing some distance nearby to the device. Okay, so let's observe this physically about this distance measurement. Okay everyone, so you can able to see that ultrasonic sensor is measuring the distance. So which distance it is measuring? So it is measuring the distance to the wall next to this ultrasonic sensor. Okay, here is my ultrasonic sensor. As I told you, I have connected all these four pins. Okay, like trio, VCC, eco, and ground to the microcontroller, as I told you. Okay, so this is my ESP32 microcontroller. It is measuring the distance. Okay, so let me put the hand near this microcontroller, approximates 4 to 5 inch, sorry, centimeter. So you can able to see that the reading has been changed as per the hand. So it become approx 4 to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we can measure the distance to the nearby uh, devices, or we can measure the object near the ultrasonic sensor with the help of that. Have a nice day everyone.